The semi-automatic Accutek tabletop capper is the perfect machine for applying caps to smaller containers. It's an easy machine to operate. All the user needs to do is to place the container and its cap beneath the stomper's head and press the foot pedal. The stomper will lower and press the cap onto the container, forming a firm seal. Then we have the benchtop Accutecapper you see here on the right. This versatile machine has adjustable torque to prevent cap damage and reduce insert wear. It can apply multiple types of caps between 22 and 90 millimeters wide. This machine is perfect for screw caps, lug caps, flip-top caps, pull spouts, safety caps, child-proof caps, and sports caps. Whether used together or apart, the Accustomper and Capper can help you cap your products with greater efficiency and speed. Contact Accutek if you have any questions and want to make sure these machines are the right choice for you.